What if I told you that you only need 3 ETFs to build a powerful portfolio in 2026? Not 10. Not 20. Not some complicated strategy that requires checking your portfolio every single day. Just 3 simple ETFs that could potentially give you exposure to thousands of companies, global diversification, steady dividend income, and long-term growth. Yet most investors do the exact opposite. They chase hype. They chase trends. They build portfolios with 15, 20, even 30 ETFs, thinking that more complexity equals better results. But the truth is the opposite. In many cases, simplicity wins. And in this video, we're going to break down the 3 ETFs that could form one of the simplest and most powerful portfolios for 2026, VTI SCHD VXUS. By the end of this video, you will understand why these ETFs work so well together, how they complement each other, the risks you need to know, and how to build a portfolio with them. So if you're tired of overcomplicating your investing strategy, stay with me, because this might completely change how you think about building wealth. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Why most investors overcomplicate their portfolio. The investing industry thrives on complexity. Think about it. Every year new ETFs launch. New strategies appear. New, must-own, sectors emerge. Artificial intelligence ETFs. Cybersecurity ETFs. EV ETFs. Crypto ETFs. The list keeps growing. And while many of these funds are interesting, most investors end up collecting ETFs instead of building portfolios. They might own 3 tech ETFs, 2 dividend ETFs, 4 index ETFs, 2 international ETFs without realizing that they are buying the same companies again and again. This is called portfolio overlap. For example, someone might own VTI VXUS SCHD, but these funds all contain many of the same companies. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Alphabet. So instead of diversification, they are just doubling and tripling exposure to the same stocks. And that's where a simple 3 ETF portfolio becomes powerful. Because instead of chasing everything, you own almost the entire world economy. The simplest portfolio that covers the world. The 3 ETF strategy we're discussing includes VTI, Total US Stock Market SCHD, Dividend Income Strategy VXUS, International Diversification. Together, they create a portfolio that covers the United States economy, the global economy, dividend income, growth potential. Let's break down each ETF and understand why they belong together. ETF number 1, VTI, the foundation of your portfolio. The first ETF is VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. If you could only own one ETF, this would probably be it. Why? Because VTI tracks the entire US stock market. That means exposure to over 3,500 companies. Everything from megacaps like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon to mid-cap companies. And even small-cap growth businesses. This gives investors exposure to the full economic engine of the United States. And historically, the US market has been one of the strongest wealth creators in the world. Another major advantage. The expense ratio is extremely low. Only about 0.03%. That means for every $10,000 invested, you're paying roughly $3 per year in fees. Which is almost nothing. But the biggest benefit of VTI is automatic diversification. Instead of trying to pick winners, you own the entire market. When innovation happens in America, you benefit. When new industries emerge, you benefit. When large companies dominate, you benefit. And when small companies grow into giants, you benefit as well. This makes VTI the foundation of the portfolio. ETF number 2, SCHD, the income engine. The second ETF is SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. If VTI provides growth and market exposure, SCHD provides income and stability. SCHD focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies. But this is not just any dividend ETF. The screening process is extremely strict. Companies must demonstrate strong cash flow, sustainable dividends, solid balance sheets, consistent profitability. This is why SCHD tends to include companies like PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Cisco, Texas Instruments, Home Depot. These are companies with decades of operating history. Many have long dividend growth records. And that's where SCHD becomes powerful. It provides income that grows over time. In many years, SCHD has delivered double-digit dividend growth. That means investors see their income increase without adding new money. And during market downturns, dividend companies often show less volatility compared to high-growth tech stocks. This makes SCHD a perfect complement to VTI. ETF number 3, VXUS, Global Diversification. The third ETF is *VXUS, the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. Many investors ignore international markets. But history shows something interesting. There have been entire decades where international stocks outperform US stocks. VXUS invests in thousands of companies outside the United States. This includes Europe, Asia, emerging markets, developed markets. Companies such as Toyota, Nestlé, Samsung, ASML. This gives you exposure to global economic growth. It also reduces dependence on the US market alone. If the US economy slows down, international markets may perform better. And that diversification helps smooth long-term returns. Why these three ETFs work together? Here's where the magic happens. Together, these ETFs create a complete portfolio. VTI equals US market growth, SCHD equals dividend income plus quality companies, VXUS equals international diversification. Combined, they cover thousands of companies across the world. You're investing in technology, healthcare, finance, consumer goods, energy, manufacturing, global infrastructure. All with just 3 ETFs. Example portfolio allocations. Here are some sample allocations. Aggressive growth, 60% VTI, 20% SCHD, 20% VXUS. Balanced portfolio, 40% VTI, 30% SCHD, 30% VXUS. Income focused, 30% VTI, 40% SCHD, 30% VXUS. Each strategy has different goals, but they all keep the same simple structure. Why simple portfolios often win? Simple portfolios win because they are easier to manage, easier to understand, easier to stick with during market crashes. Complex portfolios often lead to emotional decisions. Selling at the wrong time. Buying hype. Chasing trends. But a simple strategy encourages long-term discipline. Risks. You must know no investment is risk-free. Even these ETFs have risks. Market risk. Dividend cuts. Global economic slowdowns. Currency fluctuations. But because these ETFs are diversified across thousands of companies, the risk of a single company collapsing is minimized. In conclusion, if you're feeling overwhelmed by investing, remember this. You don't need 20 ETFs. You don't need to chase every trend. Sometimes the smartest portfolio is the simplest one. And in 2026, a strategy built around VTI, SCHD, VXUS might be all you need to build long-term wealth. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.